Okay, so now what I did was I cleaned everything up, and we have the piston cup retainer, and they have marks on there, so you can't really screw up. It's got these little tabs. They line up, okay? So, and this is the new piston cup. This is where you got to be careful, because these are $50, and I've seen so many people screw these up, and it's just sad. So you would put the retainer, new piston cup, push it down so it fits in there good, like that, okay? You see the two holes, you match two holes, don't matter because you have this little groove here, it goes there. So you're doing this, you're putting it in there, now it locks in, now it's locked in. Now you have your new piston cup retainer screws, which are 5/32 with a coating. So you would start it and just make sure it's in that groove and make sure it's center. Whatever you do, make sure of that. That is critical. You can't really mess that up. You have to make sure it's in there. So, of course, I'm using a 5/32. A lot of you guys won't have that. If you had a socket, like I'm going to use here in a minute to tighten it, I'm just doing this to start it. So we're going to just tighten it. You want to snug it. You don't want to overkill. If I fuck up, this connecting rod's like a few $100, so you don't want to screw up. So, all right, so it's in there. Got it. It's in there. Where's my wrench? Wrench is right here. Now we're going to tighten it. We're not going to kill it, but we're going to tighten it. All right, so that's tight. All right, it's tight. All right, you don't want to kill it. Now remember that. Now, new sleeve. Old sleeve, actually, well, you know, it's got some dings in it, but that's okay. New sleeve. Here's what you do. You want this out as far as you can. You just pull the pull cord assembly until the sleeve or the cylinder is, or the connecting rod is out all the way. You take this. You got to do it this way. If you screw this up, $50. So what I do is I do this, I sideways, and I work it with my fingers up and down. This finger and this finger. I work it up and down, and then I get it in there. Okay? When you get to a certain point, you got to be careful still. Just keep working it in, and then this right here, carefully, slowly turn it. Because I have had it fold. I've had it where it folds back and you're done. It's all over. See ya. So you just put it in there. You know what I do? I use like a little rubber mallet because I've done so many of these. So what I do is I take my rubber mallet and I just tap it in. And there is 4 little tips that, I don't know if I can zoom in on that.